attempt at a vlog. I have a teenager here helping me and several adorable dogs. Okay, so we're going on our trip tomorrow. Here is what I have in our carry-on. Sunglasses, pretty obvious. Bathing suits. Disney will not bring you your luggage until later that evening. So if you want to swim, ride the aqueduct, whatever, before dinner time, pack some bathing suits. So that's all that. I have my handy Disney Cruise Line guide, just for fun reading. Door magnets. Your doors are metal, so they're magnetic. And so to differentiate yours from the 8,000 other staterooms on board, it's nice to decorate your door, plus it's fun. I also bought this just in case my girls want to draw, write something, who knows. When we got our tickets, we got this weird little printable that's kind of fun. My 8-year-old might do it, where it's kind of all about your trip and what you're gonna do and how it works. And something to do on the plane. Various medicines, first aid, just anything I could think of. Lanyards. That is one thing. Your Key to the World card will unlock your stateroom. It will be used for onboard purchases. It will be what you use to get on and off the boat. So definitely make sure you keep that on you. I'm gonna do a lanyard so I don't have to worry about pockets or losing things. And last but not least, this is our new autograph book. We have been to Disney so many times that we have 8,000 autograph books. So I decided to try this one. It's a cute little encyclopedia of all the characters. So you can just get everyone to sign on their page. Get it signed by a lizard. Sorry, that's the teenager talking. No, I'm gonna keep it in. So anyway, something new. Our goal is gonna try to get this whole book signed one day. So I think that's about it. Sharpies. Also make sure you bring lots of Sharpies with you because the characters and their little handlers do not have pens. So that is my carry-on. All right, stay tuned for more videos.